How to find mentions, notifications, settings on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find mentions, notifications, settings on BeReal. First open a BeReal and then click on your profile here in top corner, and now click these 3 points again, and once you're here just click notifications, and here you will find mentions. Now just you can turn it off if you want, and then click save, and you can turn it on again. It's easy, and that's it. Here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.